Mic test. Hi guys, my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Thank you for watching my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video of this package that just came in expressed by DHL. Let's check it out. What's inside? This is the MATO fully metal King Tiger lower hull. It is complete with the 5:1 steel gearbox with their metal tracks, high quality metal tracks, their full road wheels, torsion suspension, sprockets and idler wheels. Based on what I can see, it has torsion suspension just like their Tiger one, and it also has the adjustable idlers tension system where you loosen the bolt, the nut right here. Okay, you loosen it enough, then you can rotate the cam to tighten or loosen your tracks. Okay, and then you just tighten it back up. It's a nylock nut. Okay, so the package comes with the fully detailed back panel with movable hinged mud flaps, real exhaust, jack block over here, C-hooks, and the jack. Okay, everything's molded in though except for the hinges or the jack block, the jack. So that can be removed, I think, but this is glued on already. Yeah, this is glued on. Okay, so the exhaust is real. You can run your smoke unit and it will blow smoke out of your end. Okay, so it bolts on right here. Okay, it bolts on right here, and the it comes with a pack of these are the hub covers for your wheels. Okay, so show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like. These are the hub covers for your wheels, and yeah, there are long ones and there are short ones, and a whole pack of it here with spare track links and stuff like that. Okay, and of course some bolts and washers for attaching the hull. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick. MATO 5:1 gearbox. Still, they're all running on steel gears. It has bearings, ball bearings on each axle, and I remember counting 90 turns of the pinion gear to the drive, so it's 90:1 gear ratio. It comes with the nice plastic base, so you have a nice solid surface to mount everything to, your battery, your board, your speaker system, and stuff like that. Even comes with a nice bracket over here. This is actually meant for the fully metal upper hull, which will be released in mid-June. So this is what was released first, which is the lower hull. This is the locking mechanism. This is attached to the upper hull, and you use this screw over here. You open the engine deck hatch to access this screw to unlock the upper hull from the lower hull. So the entire tank will be released around mid-June. That's what MATO told me. But this is also compatible with a Henglong upper hull. So this is my Henglong King Tiger, and I'm going to show you real quick. It is my iron magnets over here. That's why it's sticking to the gearbox. Okay, so as you can see, the slots fit perfectly. Okay, you just slide in your upper hull. Okay, here you go, and it matches on the rear. Of course, once it's screwed down, it wouldn't wiggle like this. So it's perfectly matched, and also in front as well. So this is a perfect match for the Henglong King Tiger upper hull. Other details on this one is that it has the high quality fully metal tracks. It has all the metal wheels with bearings, the MATO sprocket, and the rear idler wheels. Okay, there we go. 5.7 kilos. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The fully metal upper hull will be released, like I said, in around mid-June. That's what MATO told me. It will weigh about almost 10 kilos, so give or take, that's what MATO told me. This lower hull is now available for pre-orders from our web store, rctanklegion.com. The fully metal RTR ready to run King Tiger room is also available for pre-order now. So you place your orders on our web store and you get your orders somewhere end of June. Remember to wash your hands, wear masks, and stay safe. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.